Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we're showing you the seat covers on the 2006 Nissan Titan. It's an awesome looking set here. This is the charcoal soft touch for the insert. Ostrich is an option. It'd be made out of the same fabric, but this one we went with the smooth soft touch material, which is really nice. It's got a really nice leather look, kind of grain to it. And again, that's the insert section is the charcoal, and the trim is black soft touch. As you can see in here, we didn't cover the headrests, didn't cover the armrests either, but you can get away with that if they're in good shape. The seats, the actual backrest and the bottom, they were in really tough shape. We'll show you some video of that, some photos of those, and they were pretty worn out and really needed repair, and this got them in much better shape with this new cover on top. And there is 1/2 inch of foam backing on all the side section seating, and then in the middle section that doubles the foam padding with the diamond stitch going down the backrest and the bottom. So just a really nice three-dimensional look to it, as well as just a little bit more comfort on your seat as well. So again, charcoal diamond stitch for the insert, and that's the soft touch fabric, and then black soft touch for the trim. Looked really nice. Now, a couple of things about the custom options is we had a driver's side pistol holster. The holster on this Titan actually works really nice because it tucks right in between your seat and then the hard console. Now, the hard console on this Titan actually has a little bit more space right here compared to a lot of other vehicles. A lot of vehicles, it's really tight right up against that console, and there's really not going to be space for a pistol. But this one there is, so a lot more space right there. Now, if you're not using it for a pistol, works as well for a cell phone slot right there, or Kimber Arms pepper spray blaster is really nice inside there as well. And that's the driver's side pistol holster. Front pockets would have been options, but we didn't go with those. You can check those out. That'd be the MOLLE pockets or pistol pockets. But then on the back, we did the special ops pockets, so that rifles, bows, lots of carrying capacity on the back side. That's a special ops back there. Now, on this particular set, it's a simulated leather trim, and when you choose a sim leather trim, the very back side, the very far back panel will be made from the canvas fabric, and in this case, we did the black canvas fabric, and just a lot more durability back there for holding the weight of the guns and the gear back there. So nice looking set with a lot of cool custom options. Thanks for checking us out. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Thanks so much.